Secret PC hacks that you wish you knew earlier. This will actually blow your mind because it will actually save you a lot when it comes to PC maintenance. Look at this.
Then type in services.msc. So that will take you to this section where you will have to scroll down all the way to Windows Update. Alright, that Windows Update, if yours is not disabled, you right click on it. You see mine is disabled right there, and then right click on it, click on properties. If it's running, you just click on stop, and then when you click on stop, change it from enable to disable, just the way mine is. From enable to disable, then you click apply. Once you click apply, click OK, and everything is done and okay. Make sure you check again next time when you restart your system.
So now that you have seen this video, stay tuned to other videos by actually hitting that subscription button, enable the notification bell button, and then like this video. See you in my next video. Alright.